Good evening, sir, and all my dear friends. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to say something about importance of English. Today, English is spoken in every country. If you want to get good jobs, so English is essential. English language give you more confidence. If you know English language, so you can live easily in every country. English is one of the most spoken language in the world. A person who doesn't know English, he has to face many problems in his life. Today, in many schools and also college, has required to speak only in English. Thank you. That's all about importance of English.
Good evening, everybody. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to say something about importance of English. English is the most important language. English itself is a very beautiful language. It makes our journeys is very easy. By learning English language, we can communicate with every people. By English language, get off a job, we can go to foreign country
if you know English.
Thank you. That's all about importance of English.
Good evening, sir, and all my dear friends. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to say something about my importance of English. Importance of English. English is very important language, because in most of the countries on the world it is spoken and understood. People from different parts of the world having different languages as their mother tongue are able to communicate easily with knowledge of English. Thank you. That's all about my importance.
Before you learn English, it's important for all of you to know the significance of English. Until you understand its significance, you are not going to learn English language. So all of you have to understand its significance first, that English is most important language and widely spoken all over the world. Understood? No? So you guys have to understand this first, then you can learn it well. क्योंकि जब तक आप किसी चीज़ का महत्व नहीं जानते, आप उस चीज़ को हासिल नहीं कर सकते हैं. So if you want to achieve this language, you need to understand its importance and value.
Good evening, sir, and all my brother and sister. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to say something about importance of English. English is very important in our life. English is the most popular spoken language in the world. English language give more confidence. English language fills your personality with confidence. If you want to get a job, so English is very necessary. Thank you.
Very good.
English is very important language for our life. It is very beautiful language. English is the third most spoken language in the world. It is necessary to know English to contact with social media. If you get a good job, so English language very necessary. English give you more confidence. Thank you.